What is up, guys? It is me, Rick Hernandez, bringing you guys another video. It has been a while since I last posted, so let's just jump straight into the video. Today I'm going to be installing my O2 sensor spacers for the 350 because I need to pass my emission test literally like within a week, or else I can't drive my car. I mean, I shouldn't be driving it in the winter, but you know, you never know when you're gonna need your car, so I'd rather get that out of the way, install that, and hopefully my check engine light just disappears. We're gonna find that out today and explain along the way, and hopefully you guys don't get confused. So guys, I finally got the car up in jacks. It should be fine. Let's take a look under my car. There you can see the test pipes, one sensor and another one. I had the two spacers already, so I'm gonna figure out how to take off those sensors, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit because I didn't do my research. So also it's really cold, so. Alright guys, so we have to go into the store real quick. I'm gonna turn it on, let it warm up, so we can go. I couldn't install it right now, I'll explain. So I came inside really quick because I wanted to explain to you guys why I couldn't install my O2 sensor spacers. Reason why is because proper tools. So right now I took my car off the jacks since it's my only car, and I'm gonna run to the AutoZone or O'Reilly's really quick and see if I can pick up a special tool to take off the O2 sensors, because they are a pain in the ass and I have to go to work soon, so I have to finish this quick. After quick stop at AutoZone, I got that special oxygen sensor socket I needed. It has this opening right here on the side. Hopefully I have a wrench at home. If I don't, then I don't know. But I came to Vent or Auto. Guys, we have officially taken out the first O2 sensor. It's hanging. Hold on, let me try to record better. There you go. The O2 sensor goes right there. I just took it out. Here it is. There's one O2 sensor. This is the tool I chose. It's open on the side, so the wire can go through the side, and then you can just like, it actually goes like this. It goes like this, and then you're able to just, you know, unbolt it like a regular bolt. It was actually easier like this. I don't know why I didn't just go buy the tool first, the beginning of the install. But so far so good, guys. Always get tools, guys. With the right tools, anything is possible. These are actually the O2 sensor spacers I got. I actually got them for like $10 on eBay. You could get the OEM ones or the one specifically made for this car on Z1 Motorsports. They're just more expensive. They're like over 100. I think they were like 70 or something like that. Just for these two. No, just for one, I think. Just for one, it was like 80 something. So I went the cheap way. We'll find out if it works. I mean, I've heard good things about these and good reviews, but who knows, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and hopefully the check engine light goes away, because it's triggering my ECU, thinking that I don't have the O2 sensors, which I do, but it's just I don't have the cats, that's why. Guys, so these are the O2 sensor spacers. These are gonna go on those sensors, just so I can bring them out just a little bit, just so it triggers the ECU and thinking I have my cats. Guys, I have finally finished it like 5 minutes into it, so it's actually not that hard. Anyone could do it. I did it. I don't have experience at all with cars. I'm trying to get experience working in cars. I'll put them in the link in the description below if you guys want. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and see if my check engine light is still on. Cross my fingers. Hopefully it doesn't trigger the light. It's supposed to take it off. Hopefully it takes it off. So guys, my car is still up in jacks. I'm gonna leave it like that. I just want to see if it gets rid of the light. Hope. And what? Oh, it came back. It actually came back. I'm not sure why it came back up. I'm gonna go ahead and restart the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 10mm. And I should have done this from the beginning. I should have disconnected my car's battery from the beginning. I didn't do it. I don't know if it's gonna mess something up. Hopefully not. I'm just gonna disconnect the battery and hopefully reset everything really quick, because I have to go to work soon. Let's do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and retape some of the wiring I did on my batteries connector terminal, because I don't want. What the heck is wrong with this blade? It's rusted. But yeah, I don't want it to like, yo, what? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reset this, that, and that. So guys, the check, I just resetted my car, or my battery. I disconnected it and connected it again. The check engine light did go off, but I'm still gonna I'm gonna go drive it around right now, and I will let you guys know if the check engine light comes back on. But from my opinion, I recommend them. They're not bad. I just have to see the results first in order to recommend them fully to you guys. So this concludes the video, guys. This is all I was gonna do. I have to go to work right now, so I'll talk to you guys probably after work, or if not, then this is the end of the video. I promise you guys there's gonna be more videos. I just have not made any. I've recorded daily vlogs, I just haven't uploaded them for many reasons. I just don't feel comfortable uploading them, or I don't want people seeing that, or I don't know. It's just I want to make a video on why I haven't made videos. So for now, enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe, and come again soon, guys. I promise you guys there will be more videos.